Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about how you can start earning money using Monday.com. So let's get straight into it, guys. So you want to head on to Monday.com, as we've done here. And after that, search up Monday.com affiliate program. And you'll head on to this website here where you can start getting your affiliate link. And I'll show you how to do that, but first let's look at what Monday.com is. So if you go up top to the products, it shows they have work management thing or tool product that you can use or businesses use to schedule and assign tasks to employees, like project management, workload management, and like setting goals and whatnot. And they also have a sales tool where it's used for marketing, the pipeline, making a pipeline, getting leads. So we don't need to know how to do all of that. We just need to understand how it all works so we can really market our link or affiliate link. So we'll head on to affiliate program, click on get started. I'll show you how to sign up. So just click join now and it shows you how it works and whatnot. And then it says what would you like to join. Let's just click. I'll do affiliate and put your name and fill out the email and whatnot. So let's fill it out. Company, so audience and website. So it will just describe whatever you have. So you do like business and financial tips. Then have I ever used Monday.com? Just say yes. What channels? I'll just say YouTube. So how you can market your affiliate? You can market it by creating videos, creating articles, or you can like basically just like send emails to businesses. So one way to do that is looking at Yellow Pages. So you can get like companies around your area, and then you could probably get their email by clicking. So I'll just click on this coffee shop here to have their website listed and then their business email here where you can click and email them. So they probably won't need management that much, but you can do like any company that you would think. I'll just say go for numbers here, so email as much. If you're gonna do blogs, if you already know how to do blogs, that's great, but if you don't, you can use Blogger, which is a Google company or a company owned by Google, where you can create blogs. I think you can create one for free. And yeah, you could like make a blog where people can search. And then, or if you want, you can create a video explaining Monday.com and then send it to business owners and whatnot to make money. So how much can you earn? From what I know, it's like 20%. So however much this plan, whatever plan they get. So yeah, you can try Monday.com for free, but for companies and businesses, they're gonna choose one of these. And yeah, so we'll just look at their stuff. Let me go back. It shows how it works. You join program and get your link, so they'll probably email you your link. And then yeah, just share the link and then you get money. How long do commissions last? How do I get paid? You just get paid by PayPal or Stripe, so that's what you use to get your money. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's how you can create a affiliate link and start earning money online. And you don't have to do much. You just have to send emails, write a blog, or do whatever really to get it across, and then you can start earning good money. I would say affiliate is a really great market that you can try. And thank you for watching, guys.